Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're doing great, and welcome to a bullish update on XRP. I've waited a very long time to make a video like this, but we can cautiously be optimistic about XRP again. All right, so that's what I'll be in this video as well. We're going to do a full technical update. There's not much regarding the fundamentals that I want to speak about. I've spoken with some people about the potential acquisition of Circle, right? So USDC by Ripple, and Circle does more than that, but still, my apologies, my eyes are hurting a little bit. There's a very bright light here to the right of me. I've spoken about that with some people, but I don't really think it matters that much for the price of XRP, which is something I tend to focus on. So if you're interested in that, I could give you my thoughts on that. I have given my thoughts on that earlier as well. But for now, I'll focus mostly on the technicals, because I think the technicals for XRP, but also for the entire market, of course, are most interesting. So let's talk about that. In general, the price action, as we've seen it right now, has been according to my analysis. If you watch my videos, what you know is that I've said for the last I think week or so that XRP is in this range right here, to the upside with the POC between 2.44 2.41, and to the downside this level right here between 2.25 and 2.3. And what I said yesterday very explicitly is that I thought it was most likely, especially given the price action we saw from Bitcoin already yesterday morning, which continued throughout the day, is a bullish breakout. All right, and I think XRP is gearing up towards that right now. Yesterday we spoke about two different things, right? And there's basically three different things that I'd like to see with XRP to buy, because I'm actively looking to get into a long position on XRP. I am not in a long position right now, to be fair. Some sound alerts went off, but hopefully you did not see that. There's quite a lot of alerts going off, by the way. Very busy morning, but no, I'm looking to get into a long position. First of all, we are actually getting some open interest, right? So this is what we spoke about yesterday. Every time that XRP broke out, we had leveraged momentum coming in. So we have that. Second thing is volume. I would say the volume is quite low, right? If you take a look at the last time XRP started rallying, sure, the volume was a little bit lower than now. However, when we actually broke out, the volume was higher. All right, so I would say the volume right now, especially with this last green candle, is a little bit low, right? So that decreases my conviction in a breakout right now. For now, we could also break out lower, right? We could also still get a move into 2.3 into 2.25, catch all the late longers, and then break out after that. Is a possibility. So be aware of that. And then third of all, and perhaps most importantly, we need to break that level. All right. And we have not broken that level yet. The most important level we need to break above is 2.44 right now. Breaking above 2.41 is great. We have already done that. Break above the 7-day rolling VWAP is great. We already have that. So that's why I expect a bullish breakout. However, for now, I'm very much still looking at that volume. I would say the volume right now is good enough to buy, but it's not amazing. And I'm waiting for that breakout, right? And if I have that breakout, I will start to scale into a position here around the POC between 2.44 and 2.4. If you want my exact trade details, consider joining the Signal group, in which I share these intraday setups, because these are quite short-term setups, to be fair, in more detail. But that's what I'm looking for. For now, I need more confirmation, right? I would not buy XRP right now. I need to see that breakout. I need to see volume. I think that's coming, by the way, just to get that clear. I think we are going to move like this. And I think we can move back up to 2.61 like this. I think this is going to happen. However, I'm not 100% certain yet whether it's right now, today, tomorrow, or whether we need to pull back one last time into the main support level right here, and that we break out after that. That is a possibility, right? Because it feels like there's quite a lot of euphoria, quite a lot of late longers. So then it's ideal for market makers and whales to potentially push the prices down lower once more. So be mindful of that. But I'll keep you updated on that as well. That's it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Take care and bye.